As soon as this lady comes in, he comes in a few minutes behind me. Right there, you see him?
Mm-hmm.
Pick up. Give it all the fuck up. Give it all the fuck up!
What?
Give it all the fuck money up, come! Now! No one try to be a hero, please. Please. I don't want to hurt nobody. Hurry!